Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to watch Netflix on iPhone without application. You can watch Netflix on an iPhone without the application by using the Safari web browser. Though Netflix officially prefers the app for the best experience, this is a common workaround if you have the storage issues or are using an older device that no longer supports the latest app updates. So all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open your Safari on your device. However, I'm on an Android device, but the interface remains the same. All you have to do is open your Safari. However, I'll be opening Brave. Now from here, go ahead and type in Netflix, then head to www.netflix.com, and once you enter the official site, you should be able to sign into your account by tapping on the sign in option. And once you sign in with your credentials, you should be able to enjoy Netflix without the application itself on your iPhone. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.